Is it the right time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, January 26, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 9, 2024, our system has identified NIO as a sell candidate, with a score of -4.36. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has seen a loss of 18.78%. This means it has been averaging a daily loss of 1.44% since being labeled as a sell candidate. This stock is currently experiencing a downward trend in the short term, which could present a great buying opportunity for investors. If the stock price falls below $5.94, it may indicate an even stronger decline. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential -6.17% change expected over the next 3 months. This means there is a possible return between -9.22% and 41.22%. For the 12-month trend, it suggests a -13.07% change over the next year. This indicates a potential return between -15.82% and 104.05%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $5.17 to $12.53 after 12 months. Our latest update on NIO reveals that the stock price ended at $6.14 on Friday, with a gain of 1.66%. On the last trading day, which was Friday, January 26, 2024, the NIO stock price experienced a rise from $6.04 to $6.14, indicating a 1.66% increase. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $5.97 and a high of $6.15, with a margin of 3.1%. It's worth noting that the stock price has fallen in 8 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of -17.03% during this period. The trading volume also decreased by -20 million shares on the last day, with a total of 39 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $239.74 million. It's important to consider that a decrease in volume at higher prices may indicate divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the stock was $16.18, while the lowest was $5.80. Currently, the price is 62.05%, equivalent to $10.04, below the 52-week high, and 90.83%, equivalent to $60.85, below the all-time high, which occurred on January 11, 2021, when the price reached $66.99. Analyst ratings. On Monday, June 12, 2023, UBS gave NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. And on the same day, Citigroup gave NIO a buy grade with a hold action. Moving to Tuesday, March 14, 2023, JP Morgan gave NIO a neutral grade with a downgrade action. And on Thursday, March 2, 2023, Telsey Advisory also gave NIO a neutral grade with a downgrade action. Finally, on Thursday, December 29, 2022, Citigroup gave NIO a hold grade with a hold action. Analysts have given NIO stock a general neutral rating. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and price to book as strong buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for NIO. On Monday, January 22, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 2.68%. it is likely to continue rising until a new top pivot is found. It's worth noting that despite the increase in prices, the volume of trading actually fell. This divergence between volume and price could be an early warning sign and should be closely monitored. Additionally, there have been some negative signals that may impact the short-term development of NIO. The stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. This suggests a more negative forecast for the stock. If the stock continues to gain, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $7.60. On the other hand, if it falls, there will be support from the short-term average at $6.11. Breaking above the long-term average will provide another buy signal, while falling below the short-term average will strengthen the general sell signal. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently showing a sell signal. This adds to the cautious outlook for NIO. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy 26 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell 14 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy 12 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average shows a sell signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell 19 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy 87 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for NIO. NIO has found support from accumulated volume at $6.07. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. However, it's important to note that this stock can experience significant volatility throughout the day. In fact, it is considered to be a very high-risk stock due to its large prediction interval as measured by the Bollinger Band. Looking at recent performance, NIO had a price movement of $0.185 between its daily high and low, representing a 3.1% change. On average, the stock has displayed a daily volatility of 6.97% over the past week. Let's begin by discussing some important fundamental data before we explore potential trading levels for NIO. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. It's not uncommon for established companies to face challenges beyond their control, leading to temporary downturns. However, if a company consistently maintains a negative PE ratio, it may suggest insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on February 28, 2024. Let's take a closer look at the potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is set at $6.55. If you don't currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this level could be worth considering for swing trading opportunities. On the downside, NIO faces its first support level at $6.07. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by UBS AG, who bought and sold a total of 0 shares or options in the company. Based on the most recent insider trade, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of 0.000. Overall, insiders purchased 0 shares and sold 0 shares in the last trade. After careful evaluation, we have determined that this stock is currently performing poorly. It is important to note that no stop-loss has been set for this investment. Is investing in NIO stock a wise decision? Unfortunately, NIO currently exhibits several negative signals, leading us to believe that its performance will be weak in the near future. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. As we approach trading on Monday, January 29th, it is anticipated that NIO will open with a decline of $0.0550, starting at $6.09. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always recommended to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a basis for your investment choices. By accessing and using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view on a particular stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so make sure to comment below and share your opinions with us. What price target do you have in mind for this stock? Let us know. If you find this content helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We're here to provide you with valuable insights for successful trading. Now, let's dive into the details and explore the potential of this stock. Wishing you all successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.